Hi, it's Susan, your teacher here at Booked Up English. Today, we will learn a rule for reading. Get your paper and a pencil. Let's go! Today's sound is special. Look! There are 5 special letters in English. They are called vowels. Today, we will learn one vowel. Look, E. Remember, E is a special letter. It is a vowel. In English, vowels have one name and 2 sounds, a long sound and a short sound. Look, this is E. E says E. E says eh. Elephant. E says E. E says elephant. Let's skywrite. E says E. E says elephant. E says E. E says elephant. What does E say? E says E. E says elephant. See you tomorrow.